It's registered locally and is licensed by the Ghana Civil Aviation Authority to fly drones here in Ghana. The company has 4 different entities, one in Ivory Coast, one in Senegal, one in France, and one in Netherlands, where we have our research and development. So whatever we do in partnership with our clients in China and in US, we try to do the same thing here. So for instance, the drones you see here do not come in as drones. They all come in as parts and we assemble them in the office. So when we assemble them, we try to create jobs for Ghanaians. So everything we do is in for Ghana. So whatever our partners are doing in China in terms of fighting the COVID-19, we try to do the same here in Ghana. So we are contacting the private entities and in the public sectors to engage them in fighting the COVID-19 with our drones. Okay, so the use of the drones for spraying chlorine to fight COVID-19 is not to take out or rule out the knapsack or the traditional way of doing stuff. We believe that we can both complement each other, and we believe that the drones will be able to spray areas that are not accessible with the traditional way of spraying. And the same way we cannot spray in indoors or in enclosed areas with the drones, that is where we will need a traditional way of spraying. So the drone is not to take out the traditional way of spraying, but to complement each other.